Dear students, in this video lecture, we are discussing about quantifying uncertainty. Already about this concept uncertainty, I discussed in the previous video lecture. That is airport taxi problem, like picking the passenger and dropping in the airport 30 minutes before, 60 minutes before, like A30, A60, like this. And finally, we guessed the idea about probability. Okay, that is the probability of picking the passenger and dropping in the airport. In the same way, in this video, I am going to discuss about another example. Let us have a small summarizing about the uncertainty. Let us take a patient. Let us have a patient going to a dentist and saying, "Doctor, I am having a toothache, that is tooth pain." Then doctor says that maybe it may be due to cavity. Remember, it is his guesswork. It is his guesswork. Based on that, doctor is defining a rule. What is that? Are you having toothache? Yes, sir. It may be due to cavity. The rule is, if toothache, then cavity. I hope you are familiar with this implies. If toothache, then cavity. This is what the rule temporarily defined by the doctor. But above rule may not be true, because toothache may be not only due to cavity, it may also due to gum problem, pus in the tooth like abscess. So above rule may not be true. Let us modify the rule. Doctor now says toothache is due to cavity or gum problem or abscess. That is, the new or modified rule is, if you have toothache, then it is due to cavity or gum problem or abscess. Now, can I say this rule is 100% true? May not be, sir. Above rule may not be true, because there may be still many diseases, something like jaw problem, a minor accident, or a small crack, or a ear problem, whatever may be the reason for this toothache. So, let us recall the rule: toothache, then cavity. If you have a toothache, then cavity. Now, let us turn the rule. What do you mean by turning the rule? Reverse the rule, so that we'll try to make the rule as true. I reverse the rule called causal. That is, if toothache, then cavity. Remember carefully, recall carefully. If you have toothache, it is due to cavity. Now you see the causal rule. If you are having a cavity, then you may get a toothache. See, well, let us check whether this rule is okay or not. Are you having cavity? Yes, sir. Definitely you will have a toothache. Let us try whether this rule will work out or not. Our bad luck, even that may not work. Why? For a youngsters, like a student in engineering college, youngsters, let us say a school student, he or she may not have a pain because of age issue. Above rule may go wrong. What is that? If you have a cavity, then definitely you will get a toothache. May go wrong. That is, not all cavity may give toothache. That is called pain, because it is related to age also. So, let us identify possible reason for a cavity to give pain, because just now we discussed a youngster may not have a pain. Okay, then let us identify cavity means it should give a pain. If not, tell me what is the possible reasons. There are three issues coming into picture. Laziness. Too much of identification you should do. Sir, cavity means your cavity may be not depth, it may be in the outer line, like a sensitivity. It might have just touched the root, but root is sensitive, it is very good, so you may not get a pain. It touched the root, but your nervous problem is having a trouble, so you may not get a pain. Like this, many reasons may be there. You keep on, you cannot identify because of your much work, you may be lazy. This may be the reason that you got failed. by linking cavity with pain. Theoretical ignorance. Medical science, medical science is not a complete theory. Dear students, engineering science is a complete theory. When you just create let us say a computer, let us say a calculator, 2 into 5 equal to 10, 100% will give 10. Theoretically, we are perfect in engineering science. But in medical science, it is not a complete. There may be some theoretical ignorance. What is that meaning? Many reasons may be there. You may have a cavity, but it may not give a pain. Many reasons are there because medical science is not 100%. Let it be. Let us not bother. Practical ignorance. Doctor says it is a cavity, but he just saw the cavity. But later he come to know root is good. He could have taken X-ray. X-ray he took, but it is not clear. He could have taken CT. He could have taken MRI. There are many tests are there. You might have not performed all tests. So, ignorance in taking the test called practical ignorance. Ignorance in fundamental science, or you may be lazy enough to collect all the data. So, the relation between cavity and a toothache is not a simple one. The relation between cavity and toothache is not a simple one. This leads to uncertainty. Remember, not only this field, sir. Any medical domain is having uncertainty. A politician is going to a court, he got some remand. Later he is going to High Court, he got escape. Later he go to Supreme Court, again got hold. Like this, they will have many troubles in judicial law. So judicial is self a uncertainty, not clear. A business is uncertainty, not clear. A business in Bangalore may not be same in Tumkur. Okay. Stock exchange is highly volatile, not clear. Let us come to automobile repair. You might have some small sound in your two-wheeler. You went and told to that person. He told, sir, chain sprocket gone, sir. Let us change. Happily you changed. He is uncertain. Once you change, after 20 days, again sound comes. Later he told, sir, axle problem. Hello, you told already changed, sir. It happens like that, sir. Uncertainty. Agriculture is also uncertain. Many domains in the world are uncertain. So what is the conclusion? Your conclusion is based on probability, that is degree of belief. Degree of belief. So we are going to discuss about probability to give conclusion about uncertainty. Let us have a basic probability notation. Probability theory is defined as a mathematics that gives numerical value, that is degree of belief. How best you believe? Sir, I know very clearly, sir, I will pass AI. 95% chances are there, sir, because Vikram sir is our teacher. So, 95% chances are there, sir. So, it is called degree of belief. You told 95%, that's called probability. How likely an event occurs is called probability. It is the one and only solution to help finding a solution to the uncertainty problems. Let us give an example. I am just going to play one dice, throw one dice. What and all I will get? I may get number 1, I may get number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. A dice means having a 6 faces, so you may get any one among these 6. So these are all possibility of throwing the dice called sample space omega. This is called capital omega. Your W is small omega. What is capital omega is nothing but sample space. All possibility. Now, I need number 2 should fall when I throw the die. Remember, number 2 is a chance out of 6 possibility. One chance out of 6 possibility. It is called omega. That is the possibility to get that number. So, probability of getting omega, that is getting number 2 is one chance out of 6 possible throw is called 1 divided by 6 equal to 0.16. If you multiply by 100, you will get 16%. So remember, Whenever you do this particular probability calculation, is always a fraction. What is that always a fraction? Simple mathematics. Denominator says all possible space, bigger number. Numerator is one event, smaller number. Numerator is lesser, denominator is bigger. Result is a fraction. Simple mathematics. So, probability is always between 0 and 1. That is called a fraction. If you sum all the probability, sir, what are the possibilities of getting 1, sir? 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting 2, sir? 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting 4, sir? 1 by 6. That is called 0.16. That is 0.16 multiplied by 6 times you will get 100. That is called 1. So, sum of all possibility, sum of all probability is always 1, provided your subset, that is called possibility of getting a number, should be a subset of the sample space. Let us have another example, that is throwing 2 dice. Throwing 2 dice. When I throw 2 dice, 1 dice you may get 1, another dice you may get 1. 1 dice you may get 1, another dice you may get 3. 1 dice you may get 6, another dice you may get 5. Called 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, like this. Total 36 possibility is there. So, the sample space omega is 36 possibility. In this, I want to get both the dice same number. We call it as a double. What is that meaning? First dice is 3, second dice also 3. First dice 5, second dice is also 5. When you will get such a double, sir, there are 6 possibility out of 36 possibility. Remember, 6 possibility out of 36 possibility. We say probability is 6 by 36 called 0.16, which is called 16%. I am just recalling with another example. Throw 2 dice, but I should get 11. Throw 2 dice, but I should get 11. That is called the sum should be 11. If I throw 2 dice, first dice is 4, second dice is 6, total is 10. First dice is 5, second dice is 6, total 11, accepted. First dice is 6, second dice is 5, accepted. First dice is 6, second dice is 6, 12, not accepted. So, when and all you will get total 11. Only 2 possibility out of 36 possibility. We say probability is 2 by 36. That is 0.055. That is just 5.5%. We call this as unconditional probability. This example is called unconditional probability. Wait for just 1 minute. I will tell what is conditional. Then you will come to know what is unconditional probability. Just give a moment. See another example. Sir, throw 2 dice, sir. Okay. Its sum should be 11. Its sum should be 11. But your first dice must be 6. You can't have 5, 6, 6, 5. Your first dice must be 6 only. Second dice must be anything, which means it should be 5. So, sum should be 11. Given that, sum should be 11, given that, this is called condition, given that first dice must be 6. So, this is only one possibility, 1 out of 36. So, 0.027, that is called 2.7%. So, I am giving a condition, you see. What is the condition? Sum should be 11. For the given condition, first dice should be 6. How to represent as a probability? Probability of sum should be 11, given that this pipeline symbol, vertical line is called pipeline symbol. Vertical line is called given that. Come on, again I am reading. Sum should be 11, given condition. First dice should be 6. What is the probability? 0.027. This is called conditional probability. Then do you have any such condition? No, sir. Anything you do, sir, total should be 11. This is called unconditional probability. With this, I would like to complete your uncertainty principle, and I gave a small lecture about probability. More detail about probability in dentist problem in next video session. Thank you.